ready to have our language class? Good!
Let's start.
Today we are going to review the sounds that you already learned on Wednesday. Do you still remember? What sounds do you learn? Good!
And
Well done! Now can you read the word that has that sounds? Let's read together.
thumb. Show me your thumb. In thin. He is thin. L whale. The whale is big. Eyed white. The ball is white. Auto photo. The man is taking a photo. On phone. I have a phone at home.
Now I want to do the listening. I will mention the word and then I want you to point with sounds that you hear in the word. Please prepare your pointer and point to the screen. Ready?
Well, what sounds do you hear? Wah. Good job. How about thumb? What sounds do you hear? How about phone? What sounds do you hear? Good job. How about cloth?
Now it's time to do the task. Now let's prepare Sanskrit book and then we will do listening task on your book. Okay, now please open page 68 and 69 and then listen to the track and you may do this task. Okay, gitu. That's all for today. I know you can do it by yourself. Don't forget to upload the task to Scala. See you and God bless you.